Hi class! Today we're going to be going over a demo video for how to blueprint type. So the supplies you're going to need are a pencil, some sort of ruler, and a marker, this kind of tracing paper, any kind of paper. I like to use gridded. You're going to go into InDesign or any other Word document and type out the word hand gloves. This is just a type that was recommended when setting type. It's just a phrase. You're going to size it up and then blow it up on your screen. Because we don't all have printers, so this is a way to copy your type and give yourself a blueprint without a printer. You can put your tracing paper on top and just trace it. Then you're left with a letter. I used the typeface Helvetica because it seems like such a good middle ground sans serif typeface. So now you're going to trace it and use your ruler and kind of sharpen up your lines. And you're going to draw the cap height, the X height, and the bottom to give yourself kind of like a rule. And I'm just making those arrows so you can kind of see where those lines are. You would have written out the whole phrase hand gloves off of your computer. I would recommend using tape while doing this so your tracing paper doesn't slide around. I'm adding serifs to this H, so now I have a serifed Helvetica H, which was just like one modification, but you can get really fun with it and do organic lines and make the letter form seem a lot more abstract. And that's how you can edit your type without a printer and give yourself a blueprint on manipulating typefaces.